Ahoy hoy miners, Technicals here. It's time for the weekly mining switch up where I take a look at the state of the market, the state of my equipment, and decide what to switch to. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel so you can follow along in this process and maybe you can extract something from it. I'll also be picking the winner of this week's stand giveaway. I give away these stands here on these weekly mining switch up videos. If you'd like to enter, details on which are somewhere in the video. I'm the Technicals. Let's get into it. Before that, this video brought to you by me via my Etsy shop. Link in the description below. Check out one of my custom designed 3D printed test bench / CPU mining stands. All snap together design, very sturdy, hides the power supply, very easy to assemble. Version 2.0 classic stand now featuring a screw-in design that holds the motherboard down. Also introducing the Solo, Dual, and MATX classic stands. So if you want to support the channel and my bad habits, pick up one of these overpriced stands via the link in the description below. And once again, if you're not already, subscribe to the channel so you can follow along in this process, and every Monday, watch me talk trash about coins for approximately 8 to 11 minutes. Kicking it off where we're at now. Currently, everything on Cubic again. I'm like, Cubic I'm finding it's like this disease, it's like an addiction sort of, because of that payout. I think they're using gambling-based game theory here, because I'm like, just one more solution, because every solution's worth like 10, 15 bucks now. So it's like, I just want to throw more power at it. And I know it could go on other pools, Cubic Ninja and stuff like that, where it would give you a PPLNS based payout and more, ongoing kind of thing. But I don't want to do that. I want to play the game. Anyway, currently one rig down. I'm not sure why it keeps going down. And anytime this 7900X connects to my network, it's bringing my network down. And the whole reason I hardlined my shed, if you saw that video months ago, was because the internet kept going out, changed the switch and everything, and I think I've isolated it down to this one rig. When it connected, within a few hours, everything goes down on that one switch. It's running a static IP. I rebuilt it once, and still. So I have no idea what that is. Some kind of phantom, some kind of gremlin, some kind of ghost in the machine going on there. The lawnmower man, maybe. If you know what's going on, let me know in the comments below, because right now I just kept it off because I don't want everything going down. So that's where I'm at right now, taking a look at what the most profitable things are. It's currently Saturday, May 25th, the witching hour, 4:22 a.m. Currently showing as Carlson hash the most profitable thing on what to mine, and iron fit, combo stuff, dual mining stuff on hashrate.no. I know Zealous is the most profitable thing. Everybody and their mother's on Zealous. I just have this personal sort of thing or ick, or I don't know what you call it, but like once everybody gets onto a coin, I feel like if I wasn't first, I might as well not do it. I don't know if that's just me being contrarian or what, but based on my hashing power, unless Zealous has like 100,000x upside potential, I'll take a look at it again, but I feel like the best days are behind me. And watch Zealous go 10,000x because of what I said right here, because that's the Technicals effect, everybody. I got the Jim Cramer thing going on here. Anything I say is great is terrible, and then terrible is great. Taking a look over at miningpoolstats.stream new coins. Pugdag, I saw that on hashrate.no, a Carlson hash coin, no doubt that helping Carlson hash to be one of the most profitable single mine sort of algorithms. Next up we got Fewbit. I think I saw that last week, CPU coin on Ghost Rider. And these are all previous that we saw before that. Coins, new coins to mine, hash rate losers. If we were looking for yield plays, we'll check on that in a bit as well, but nothing really major, nothing really shaking up the scene too much. Checking on CPUs, ZEPH back at it. ZEPH seemed to shake off the haters and doubters. I was trying to combine haters and doubters into houters. And ZEPH back at the charts, making a whole, what are we doing on a 7950X3D? 67 cents. That's where we've been for some time. And then checking on Cubic's price, not great. About the same as where it was, just kind of feathering off into nothing. But I did see this. If you take a look at this, the volume on Cubic staying pretty high. And, that's maybe just more people mining it and dumping. I mean, that would explain it. The price kind of just feathering down and the volumes being up. But more volume, more interest, lack of volume really translates into being the death knell of coins, but so that's a good thing. Still on Cubic, let's take a look at miningpoolstats.stream. What lost difficulty here over the past week? Usually skip ahead. Let's go to page 4. Here we go. So we're going to take a look real quick to see if there are any yield plays to decide what we're going to mine this week. And honestly, since I'm so deep into the epoch with Cubic, the CPUs will absolutely stay on Cubic. I'm just looking for something on GPUs now to see if there's anything, but you know, honestly, I would say for the sake of this video, if anyone's following along in the process, Beam, you've got some drop there, but also an associated price drop. Zephyr, if you're into CPUs, you know, they're still coming off the tail end of their issue, but it was everything's well and good, but still 20% down, and then the difficulty is 20% down too. So maybe an opportunity there to collect some more Zephyr if you're into that. Pyron, 15% down, also an associated price drop. Let's, for S&Gs, kind of go up to maybe stuff that hasn't really gone. Okay, I've never really gone this far, but you know, these coins here, what's the point of mining something that had a spike in difficulty? I suppose if you could see something that had a spike in price but not a spike in difficulty, maybe there's some opportunity there, but you know, it's just, there's no 10,000 X factor. You know, and that's what I'm really kind of after in GPUs. I just don't, there's just nothing there unless, you know, you're on brand new coins and you can get a big bag real quick and get off of it and do something else. Although I will say, because I've been working on the Coal Engine video, for most of the time, I just put it on Carlson hash and pointed it to nice hash, and it's been doing great. Because I'm like, it's ripping 1030 a day right now. But I've seen that spike up to like 16 and go as low as like, you know, 5. So it's kind of up and down, and, you know, I'll certainly put this in the video, but I've got to ship this thing back soon. But it's been pretty consistent. I mean, done good stuff there. So I'm not sure I really want to point my GPUs at nice hash, you know, because what's the disparity here? So 433 I could be getting with 6 4070s if I dual mined and sold it, eating up those fees. And so going down to the first single coin would be PugDag, brand new coin. It's on Trade Ogre, I think, but that's going to give me, what, 379 or 292? How do you read this chart? Or Nimrata on ProgPal Z. So you're somewhere in the range of $3 versus doing it on just straight up Carlson hash. You're still in that range of $3. So, you know, pointing at nice hash, I know I'm a mining channel. I'm not supposed to use nice hash. That's the kiddie pool. You're not supposed to do that. That's what normies do. See, it just changed here, 971. But I like it. So, you know, it really comes down to a question of whether or not I want to put the GPUs onto Carlson hash, something that's, you know, other FPGAs are on, but I'm getting the same money as I would GP mining something else. But then again, if I look at Cubic, my only solution so far has come from the GPUs, even though they're pulling in what, so the equivalent of maybe 2.5 7950X3D rigs. So it's really like, you know, the worst of the worst. I'm just not sure. I think maybe I'll just leave it on Cubic. I know. What's the point of watching this video if I'm just going to do the same thing every week? But you don't know. So you got to tune in. And you want to win the stand, right? Let's do that now.
What is up, guys? Technicals.
Damn, I'm good looking. All right, so this is the video you had to comment on last week. If you'd like to win a stand, then all you got to do is watch week to week, and I'll pick your comment. You got to comment on this video, something positive, and that's it. You got to be in the USA. I'm not doing Canada or worldwide. I'm very sorry about that, but it costs a damn fortune to ship these things. I don't know what that's about. Sorry about that, worldwide people, but I appreciate you watching nonetheless. But if you're in the USA, go ahead and leave a comment. Leave a like while you're at it and subscribe to the channel. Let's go over to our comment picker here. I'm going to paste the link in. Fetch how many comments? No replies. Probably not a lot. No one's watching lately. 69, not bad. Nice. So again, all you got to do is comment, and then next week on Monday, I'll do this again. If your comment was selected, you got to email me. Email's in the description below with your shipping detail, what you want the stand to say, and also check out the other types of stands that I have on my Etsy. I'll send you any one that you like. You want the dual, I'll send you the dual. I'll send you the classic, the MATX, or the solo, whatever. So let's go ahead and pick a winner. Chris Gouch, 5169. Thanks for your hard work on making these videos. I do work hard, Chris. Thank you. I am the hardest working crypto mining YouTuber under 14,000 subscribers, over 14,000 over 13,000 subscribers that has a blue logo in the entire space. And I will say that with confidence right now. The content creators in this community are awesome. Well, I know one content creator in this community that's awesome, me. I'm the only one. Thanks, Chris. Send me your detail, email it over, email in the description below, and I'll send that stand out to you. If you want to win one, comment in this video, something nice, and you could be a winner. That's my rub-a-dub-dub for the week. Staying on Cubic. I know. Cubic and Nice Hash, Cubic and Nice Hash. Just rename your channel Cubic and balding guy, middle-aged guy mines Cubic and Nice Hash over and over again and pretends to do some kind of weekly mining switch up. I'd love to know what you're mining though in the comments below. Are you on Zealous? Are you on something else? You know, my profits aren't great and everyone's chasing stuff, and when the least worst thing pops up, everyone's like, oh my God, profits are back. They're not. There's a little bit better. It's not great. Either way, I'd love to know what you are mining in the comments below. If you like content like this, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I'm TheTechnicals. See you next time.